welcome back to the MakeCode Arcade live stream. And today is a very special day because it's Joey's birthday. Woo! And I'm Vivian. I'm not Joey, and it's not my birthday. I'm at Livestream on the MakeCode forums.
I'm
I'm
Jazz.
Joey. Oh, you are Jasmine. Jasmine is before Joey. I ruined it. Okay, go ahead.
I mean, it's another J name for sure. Yeah, I'm Jasmine at JXMoon on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey. I'm not Vivian, and I'm also not Jasmine, which is, unfortunate because the name got mixed up there. And I'm at J Wonder on the MakeCode forums, and it is my birthday.
Congratulations, Joey! Everybody wish Joey a happy birthday! Woo! What are your birthday wishes?
It's got to be a great game. It's got to be the best game you've ever made.
All right, Joey. Okay, well, sure. Well, okay. My proposal for the stream today is we're gonna make a game where you build a fireworks show. So we're gonna have like a bunch of like bins where you can pick up fireworks, and then maybe we'll like do a wiring system so that you have to wire them up, and then you can explode it and see how it looks. Which I think is maybe a pretty big bite to eat for one stream, having never coded up fireworks before. But that's my idea. What do you think, Joey?
Do it, yeah.
Okay. So I don't know if you guys can think of a way to code up fireworks. Maybe I'll do one, but it'd be nice if we had like multiple, and then like I don't know. We're gonna need some distributed brain power on this one, I think. So what color pants am I wearing? I'm wearing dark pants. Let me. Okay, wait. Should we wear a Joey themed outfit? Let's wear a Joey themed outfit.
How are you gonna fit a corgi in that then?
What? Joey, you literally don't own a corgi. Until
true.
you have a corgi, I'm not gonna put a corgi on my outfit. That's ridiculous. Okay. That's your job. Sorry. Today's not Bully Joey Day. Sorry, Joey. Okay. So, can I just collect as many corgis to defeat an enemy? Oh, should corgis be used for war though?
I mean, corgis were. I mean, if you haven't seen them in fairy tales, fairies ride corgis into battle like war horses.
But this is the 21st century. I feel like we've evolved to the point where we can let the corgis live their best corgi life. No, I like that, but I'm not a corgi drawing pro. Wait, should we have done something else other than this? I didn't really consult you guys.
No, I like it.
Okay, we'll do a fireworks, and we'll like do a little. Okay, I haven't even planned how I'm gonna code a fireworks yet. I just kind of started the stream. So my thought is maybe we'll do like a sprite that goes in the air, and then it has a lifespan. Each sprite will be a different kind. And then when the kind dies, then we explode more things. Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Oh wait, Joe, you've coded fireworks before, but in JavaScript. How was that? What was that situation like?
I mean, it was implementing a particle effect, so it was different.
Mm-hmm.
You can't do that in blocks because we don't have classes in blocks. But if you want to see that, it's on the home screen under graphics and math, and it also uses colors, so you'll get your own personally generated fireworks show that nobody has ever seen before.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Well, okay, let's make the fireworks show in the daytime. Do you know like the patterns that you use to make the fireworks?
Yeah, but it's particle effects. So there's hundreds of little effects.
Sorry. What?
You can make an animation. You can make animations. That'd be pretty good.
I don't want to do that.
Hand
I want to
draw.
do it with code. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's just, before we even do the fireworks placing stuff, we code up a fireworks. I think that's a good first bite of the puzzle. Camera follow sprite. Okay, let's do an on A button pressed. On A button pressed, we're gonna do a function. What function is that? It's gonna be a place firework. And this firework ID. Yep, all of them are going to be official fireworks licensed by the state. I don't know. Because these are the holes I'm leaving for you guys to code for me. Because you guys are definitely coming up with different ways to write fireworks, right? Yes. I'm pointing at Joey and Jasmine, but also you guys at home. We're all celebrating Joey's birthday together. So if you can think of a good way to code up a firework, do it. Do it now. Okay, we're going to make a sprite, new variable, and it's going to be firework. And what's it going to be called? Okay, 0, stage 0. Wait, maybe this one should be like an emoji, do you think? 0, aha, 0, 0. And then, okay, all of them will be like different stages. What? Got rid of my 0.
Can't use emojis and kinds.
Oh, well, that's tough. Well, okay. Joe, your birthday's ruined.
Yeah. 0, 0.
Is this gonna make any sense? Well, we'll see. Okay, let's make it a 8x8, and then of course you have your classic fireworks situation with like this. Wait, will somebody read chat for me? I literally can't multitask.
See. You could have the base firework have an ID of 5, or like an ID like 5. And when it explodes, all the particles will explode, and then they can go down. So it's like 5, and then you do the firework that's at number 4, and then 3, and then 2, then 1. So that sounds closer to how like I did the bubble particle effect, is that I have different stages that you transition between.
Yeah, maybe I'll like add a sprite data. You know what? Heck, let's just add it. It's free. What time is it? We don't have time for this. Arcade sprite data. We're just gonna add some value onto it, and then set as a number, and then we'll do firework data stage to number 0. Oh yeah, I guess I should have just done. Oh, we'll see if we want to do it with kinds or something. We'll just add this here. Okay, and then we'll place fireworks on here, and then let's do a time. Oh, let's bring in timers too. Sorry, this is kind of like sketching and art, but instead of sketching, it's code. Okay, so after like 1 second, we're gonna give the fireworks some velocity. Vy. What velocity are we giving it? 400. Is that fast? I don't know. And then let's give it a lifespan.
400 is pretty fast.
Excellent. Lifespan to 300 milliseconds. And then, let's see. Let's bring in Joey's. Okay, in honor of Joey, not because I need this, we're going to bring in arcade sprite util. Yep. And then we're going to do a classic on destroyed of kind 0, 0. That's a sensical variable name. Okay, we're going to do a bunch of stuff. Let's do it 8 times. What are we gonna do? We're gonna make a new variable, fireworks. Yeah, that makes sense. Firework small. And it's gonna be a 2x2 situation. And then we'll deal with the colors later. We'll make them random sometime. And then what kind is it gonna be? Oh, okay, do you want to make it a 0, 1? Okay, let's make it 0, 1. Maybe this is silly. Okay. We're gonna call it 0, 0. And we're gonna add, okay, we're just gonna do this. And we're just going to set the velocity angle. And instead of repeating 8 times, we need the indexed one. So it's gonna be a 4 indexed from 0 to 7. Do this, and then velocity at angle. Okay, speed, we're gonna do like a 200, and And we're gonna do a firework small. At what angle is it gonna be? Well, we wanted it to be like in a circle, evenly spaced. So it's a 360 divided by 8 times the index situation. Why is this? Well, 360 divided by 8 is the piece of the pie we want. And then the index tells me how many pieces of pie. I don't know. Okay, so
Are you sure it's not a piece of a cake?
Oh yeah, it's pieces of cake. Sorry, that looks so good. Okay. Well, first off, this is silly because we're not even placing the fireworks where we are. So let's do that. So let's set the firework position to be. Oh, hey, let's make a new function. This is going to be the most useful function in the world. It's going to be called place on me. Place me. Okay. And it's just going to place the sprite on the sprite. I think this would be useful. Okay, me is this. Nope. It's going to be place.
You could do it, does that place that position block where you get the angle and the distance? And that's basically what you want if you set the distance to 0. At the top. The tall one.
This one?
Uh-huh.
But I still have to set two things.
You can do it however you want.
Well, I already made this function.
0, 0 is fine.
Oh yeah, that's true. Well, I really like the way I named this function, so I'm keeping it. Okay, and we're just gonna call this function place on me. What's me, Vivian, and what's placing the firework? We also need to place all of these on the firework. Nope, on this. And then the firework small. And now this will look like a firework. Let's see it. Okay, so I think one effect we could add quickly is that we should add the trail effect on it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Cool. Firework.
And all the pieces, right? So when it blows up, it sends out trails.
Oh yeah. Wait. On destroyed of kind, can we add like the sprite effect on that too when it gets destroyed? Can we?
Yeah.
Before we destroy it, can we say like destroy it with this effect or nah?
I don't know if it worked to say destroy with this effect in this. Maybe.
Well, let's start a spray effect. Particles also could have fire effect and need life. Okay, yeah. Okay, so should we give it a fire effect, Joey? Or
fire could work. I like the trail or the radial too.
Okay, let's do different ones. We'll do a themed one. This one will be themed this. Okay. And then let's give it let's give it levels. So, okay, let's where's this? Okay, stage. 0. And then let's change stage by 1. Cuz we're just going to keep on doing it until the stage is too big, and we're going to just keep on doing it. You feel me? I didn't explain that very well. Okay, so we're going to keep on exploding the fireworks until we decide that it's too many. And then let's change it to be a kind that's like a destroyed kind. Or maybe let's do this one. Let's get that data. Sprites data. What data? Item data. What data? Stage. Okay, and if it's less than 3, we'll do this. Otherwise, we'll let it die peacefully. And then finally, let's give it a lifespan. Set firework small. Lifespan to be 200. Maybe it should be decreasing the lifespan as we go. We could use that with the stage. Oh yeah. Yep. Let's set some flags on it. It's dying. Okay. So let's see. Firework small. Ghost. True. Let's do it. Oh, let's do the ones where it's like explodes and it sizzles down like, you know?
So then you're just gonna like set the velocity going straight down to
Yeah, we could do like an
sizzle down?
animation path, or we could like do a random over all like the falling kind. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Well,
You are getting like, 7 to the end things.
yeah, let's
That's right.
let's do this situation. Let's flip this, and then instead of going from 0 to 7, let's do a 7 minus, let's get the stage as number. That they'll zone it down a little bit, I guess. If it's not enough, we can multiply that number by 2 or whatever. Oof. Okay, if it's less than 2. This is too many levels deep. This isn't a set, it's a change. I think that's why it's okay. I hope. Am I doing it wrong? Set firework data stage. Change it by 1 if the data is less than 2. Is it still too much, or is it just exploding and then not going away? What am I doing wrong? I feel like, oh no, it's definitely frozen. Okay, so let's do this stage as number times 2. It's definitely too many sprites still. It's always stopping in the same spot. Is it really that many?
So the stage here, you're creating the fireworks small. Did you mean to change that on the no? This is always 1, right? Change fireworks small is always 1 because you create it.
Oh, I didn't
You
set it.
change the value by 1, and it's not initialized to the previous value or anything like that.
Good call. I didn't. I just what's the word when you read it but you don't? I scanned it. Good call, everybody. Okay, set it to be.
Oh, yeah. Inside Arduino.
Yeah. Thanks, Inside Arduino.
Good catch.
Data as number, stage, +1, stage. Okay, because we're making a new one, so it's really not copying, and it's always being 1, and that's why my computer's exploding. Oh, cool. Okay.
Item. Oh.
It looks amazing. Okay. Should we code up some more fireworks or should we get a fireworks placing system in place? What do you guys think?
By fireworks placing system, do you mean like you set up like 3 different ones and then you press a button and then it fires them all off at once?
Yeah, I was thinking like you have bins and you can like arrange where the fireworks go. Oh, it'd be cool if
you get like the plunger thing that you can like push down.
Yeah. Okay, let's do the fireworks.
I want to see like a full screen animation of that too. That'd be pretty good.
I want to do a placement system. I also want to do a wiring system. Fireworks is.
Ooh. Mm-hmm. There's a good suggestion in chat from Unsigned Arduino. Mm-hmm. You can make it so that when the fireworks fire off, it follows the firework up with the camera. Mm-hmm. And then it like transitions back down to you. But I think you have to code that manually. I
feel like I want to do do a fireworks show. Like when you explode it, then it does the whole thing, and then like it just stays in the sky, and then we'll like make it nighttime too.
That's all, folks. And then you go to bed.
Oh yeah, it'll say happy birthday, Joey.
Ah, okay.
That's what? Yeah. Okay, sorry. Today's not a make fun of Joey day. Today's a be nice to Joey day. Okay. I'm gonna this is gonna be the sizzle kind of fireworks. And we'll just place it. We won't code it yet. Oh, that's a smaller bin.
This is the one that goes like
Yeah. It's like and then after a second it goes. Yeah, exactly what Joey said. Okay. On A button pressed. Well, let's say you can only hold one kind of fireworks at a time. So let's do a variable. That's not how you do a variable. This fireworks ID. Set fireworks ID to 0. Okay, so then we'll do an if statement here and check to see if we're overlapping any of the bins. Tile to the center of me is this one. Then we'll set fireworks ID to 0. Else, if the tile to the center of it is this one, then we'll set the fireworks ID to 1. Otherwise, we're clicking A to place a fireworks. So then we'll place the fireworks with the ID. Okay. Wait, what does this new comment mean, Joey? Please read and comprehend and report back, please.
New comment. We'll have to zoom out. Not enough space on screen. We can do like a little flyby thing with the camera. We can make do with the space we have on screen. We don't have a way to zoom out anyway.
Okay.
Part of the fun of fireworks is when they're bigger than you can imagine, right? So you just can't even see them all at once. Oh, there's a brain emoji, so he agrees.
Yep. Understandable. Okay, we're gonna add a new kind. It's just gonna be called 1. This naming convention is ridiculous. Ridiculous and nonsensical. Okay, after 1 second, and then we'll get rid of the after 1 second too. We'll do it like a function later when we set up the wiring. But for now, we just wanna see us place them. Okay, cool. We can place that one, and then can we pick up a new kind? Okay, cool. Vivian firework. Do we need any of this other code? Let's copy the stage too. Why the heck not? Okay, I guess we should have just copied all of the code. Well, okay. Now what do we want to do? Okay. What did I want to do? Should we do the wiring system next? The wiring system, I feel like, is a different kind of game. Is it interesting to do wirings? Well, you know what? I want to do. Okay, so have any of you guys played Terraria before? In Terraria, there's like a mode where you can have like a wire and you can like wire things up, and then it's like, oh yeah, wires, and then it works just like electricity does.
Oh, is this also the mode where you can like make a museum and trap somebody in there and then turn on the thing and then a bunch of monsters murder the person that you trapped in there?
Exactly.
Who's unsuspecting and just trusted you with the lighting system you made.
Hey, you know what? I'm a free electrician. What do you expect? I've got to get some fun sometime. Okay, so okay, toggle wiring mode. It's going to be a function. We're going to call it. And let's do this in here. Okay. Okay, so if this is true, else. Okay, we can do the else first. If this is not true, then we're going to do the move with buttons. Vivian with buttons. And then otherwise, we're going to loop over all sprites of kind something, and we don't have this kind yet, so I'm going to make a new kind. What's the kind going to be? It's going to be of kind wire. Duh. Okay, and then we're going to, okay, so when we're toggling it on, so the idea is when we're in wiring mode, we want to see the wires, but otherwise we don't want to see it. So we're going to uninvisible it when we're seeing it, and then re-invisible it when we're not seeing it. Okay, off. And then here, we're going to make it on. And then here, now we need like a, should we use the grid? Grid extension, or should I just use the unsigned Arduino trick from a few streams ago when we were doing a different game where it's like snaps to the grid,
The trick? I don't remember the trick.
Okay. It's like, okay, on left, on up, on down.
Was it like on release, place at position?
Yeah. And then we'll like, okay, let's make a new sprite, and it's gonna be it's what's a good name for like a wire electrician tool.
Geraldo? Oh,
Draw.
you weren't actually looking for a name. Oh, you are looking for a name.
Oh,
Good.
you know what, Joey? I have to take your ideas today. Okay. Sorry. And then it's gonna be like a this situation, you know? It's the opposite of what's the word that I'm always trying to learn that I can't remember?
Crosshair?
Yeah, but the cool word for it. Tourniquet. That's not right. It's not right.
Tourniquet is like when you get an arm wound and you need to wrap it up.
Yeah. You guys remember what it's
You
called?
don't want to get a tourniquet because usually that often that will, have bad results.
What's the name of the word that I'm thinking of? The cool word that means crosshairs, you know?
Crosshair is a pretty cool word. Reticle?
Reticle. Yeah. I think I need the Telemaps extension for this. Yeah, it's the opposite of a reticle. That was a long way to say that sentence. Truncate. Okay, so this is the hack I'm thinking of, and so we're going to get the location of my sprite, and then we're gonna place it on it. So then it snaps it to the grid. And what sprite is it gonna be? It's not Geraldo. It's electrician tool. Okay. And then we're gonna do this only if we're in wiring mode. Oh my gosh. Is this what they call an Easter egg when you write hidden code? Okay.
If you just drag all your code so that they all line up on top of each other, you can only look at one piece at once. It looks like you didn't write any code.
Yeah, true. We gotta unmove Vivian with this. Oh, nope. Okay. And I wasn't sure if the snapping was working. Did I do this wrong? Oh, it's working. It's just
Working too well. You can't trust it. How big is the
16 by
electrician
16.
pool? It is. Oh, your fireworks tiles are just not filled in. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's just trust it's working and the art's just making it weird. And then on A button pressed, if we gotta do it, yeah.
We might want one more color in the electrician tool, like as a second outline. Just 'cause, like how you have black and white text sometimes because it's easier to see. Because right now it's blending into the red. So maybe like white as a second layer.
Like this?
Yeah, and maybe in the corner too.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. It's like an outline. It's outline light. Light.
Outlight.
Mm-hmm. Is this gonna register as reverse reticle? That's what I want to know.
Reversible. Sure.
All right. Well.
You could put a little cross in the middle too if you want.
Yeah. Let's do that. This is looking a little bit silly right now. Oh, is there a middle when it's 16 by 16 though? Okay, well, we'll leave it as that. This is
Dots.
Is this game about looking good or feeling cool, you know? I would say it's about feeling cool. Okay, if wiring mode, then we're going to make a sprite. Make a new sprite, new variable, wire, and it's of kind wire. And what's it gonna look like? Well, this is oh man. We have to do some smart coding, I think, because I want to make the wire change its image based on if there's
Like the wires connected to it, adjacent to it.
Yeah, so maybe I'll just see if there's wires next to it and I'll code up how it looks, and I'll just have like red wire going to the center and then going out and default it to look like this. We'll deal with that as it comes. For now, we'll just place wire that looks like this. Oh yeah, and we'll place of me work. I think that's probably a quarter, right? I wasn't confused, but I didn't call my function.
Oh, it placed it at the center of the screen.
Yeah, but does that count? We can count it since it's Joey's birthday.
Oh, okay.
But it's just poor coding. Vivian's making redstone wires. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing too much in one stream. Am I right? Okay. Wait, this one placed. Okay. Place on me. Let's make a new function. Place on me, but snappy. And it's gonna be me. Place me. And it's gonna be the exact same thing, except snappy. And what does that mean? It's gonna be according to a grid, and we're gonna place what?
Snap.
Yeah. Sorry, Joey. Tell us about your birthday. What are your birthday? What lessons did you learn in this last year?
I learned how to make fireworks
Did
with
you learn
electrician tools.
Sorry.
I learned
Joey,
how to make
you learned that
robots.
today. This is not something you learned in the last year of your birth.
That's true. I learned how to make robots and giant monsters.
Mm-hmm.
1 second, I'm scrolling. I learned how to tap my foot. Kind of.
What?
With
What do
music.
you mean? Oh yeah, sure. Aww.
Metroidvania. Yeah, Metroidvania. I knew what Metroidvania was, but yeah, we did one of those. Lots of things.
Mm-hmm.
What did you learn?
It's on my birthday. I still have time to learn things until my next birthday.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
What?
Sneak up on you.
Yeah, my birthday's in
It's gonna sneak up on you.
My birthday's in October. I have plenty of time. Oh, I guess I did just pass my half birthday. Well, there's no time to think about the present. That's how that goes. Anyway, so we're gonna update the wire imagery every time we place a new wire. And I guess the smart way to be updating this would only be next to the wire we just placed. Should I do that? Yeah, I guess that's smarter. Okay. Edit function, wire we just placed. Because I don't think it's going to change anybody other than the ones next to it. Because when it's like, yeah, when it's in it. Does anybody else want to explain what I'm thinking so I can go?
I will explain it after I see what you do.
Okay, well, I'm just thinking, okay. Okay, you guys, I'm not going to explain it. We're just going to do it. So we're going to make a new sprite, and it's going to be like a secret overlap tester sprite. We don't have to write sprite. We know it's a sprite. Secret overlap tester. And it's going to be no, it's going to be called secret. And then we're going to place it. Nope, not on random. Place on top of. Okay, we're going to place the secret overlap tester. We're going to test it all in 4 directions to see if there's any wires. And if there is any wires, we have to update its image. So place it on location top of location of the wire we just placed. I know I didn't update this earlier. Wire. Okay, so place it here. And we need to see if this overlaps with the kind. There's no good way to do that without going through all of them, right? I'm going to make another function.
Can that be it?
Is that in Sprite Utils?
Huh? Is which one?
If we overlap with any kind of wire, it's not. Okay.
No.
So do we overlap with a wire?
We're also going to have to update the wires that we now overlap with, right?
Yeah. I'm going to make another function that's like update this image given how many directions we are in.
Okay.
Maybe should I have a separate 2D array representation of the grid? Well, that sounds like a lot of work. Let's not. Let's return false. And then let's call this function, do we overlap with a wire? And okay, let's do a sprite data on it. Sprite data. What kind of sprite data can we use? Sprite data as string, as boolean. Okay, set item wire on top. Wait, can we get like the direction like this and put it in here? Why not? Can I do it with a text? Parse to string. Can we take a number and change it to a string? Do I do a join?
Join with itself. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is this sensical?
It's not nonsensical.
Oh, okay. Do we overlap with a wire? Okay, let's do each part first because I'm getting overwhelmed with all the parts of this. This feels like an interview question. Am I right? Right? Doesn't this feel like...
You're not wrong.
Yeah, okay. Okay, array of sprites. Let's edit this function. Me. And then for all of these, we gotta check to see if they overlap. And if it overlaps, we will return true. Somebody frame this as an interview question.
Okay, so you have a graph of wires. The edges between them are, the pair ones next to each other, so the ones to the left and right. And you just gotta, define it based off of how many and in which direction the edges are. And then you got to find the shortest path for electricity to travel between the two so that you can get to from one firework to another based off of the wires that currently exist.
Okay. Well, I guess I shouldn't have said it on stream that I think this would be a good interview question. But then if we interview somebody, then we know that they watch our stream. So, that's pretty cool too. Anyway, I'm going to do the wire, the skeleton of the code right now, and then I'll figure out how to deal with this. Okay, gosh. Left. And then this. Okay. So, first off, we got to set up the code for the current wire we just placed. So, the wire we just placed, come over here. So, if we place the wire there and there's a wire there, okay, then we're going to set this to true. We're going to put this here. We're going to set this to be bottom. Is this going to be useful? Maybe this will be useful later for when we're trying to decide what it looks like. And this is going to be top. I feel like doing the fireworks wasn't that hard. And okay. So wire we just placed. So this is setting up all these things. And then, we got to set the inverse of it too. So then if the one above us, okay, well, instead of returning true, we're going to return this. And then can I return false here? Will it like this, Joey?
What's value? Value is the sprite.
Yeah.
It won't like that.
It won't like that?
Can you drag it out? And no, because it's null. Array get value at 0.
Okay. That's fine. Yeah, this is
This is fine.
Is it okay if this array doesn't exist?
It'll implicitly get created in on start.
Okay, cool.
Is that true? Let's see. Well, we'll see if it crashes.
Sure.
It won't be a firework. I think it'll be implicitly created.
Oh my gosh, it's already 42. Okay, overlapping sprite. So instead of just returning true or false, I also want to know which one we overlap with so we can do stuff with that. So if overlapping sprite is true, oh yeah, overlapping sprite is true. Okay, and then we're going to do overlapping sprite. I guess I could have written a function for the directions.
I am thinking that it probably will get an error, but we can fix it later.
Yeah. This is a broad strokes. We've moved from the sketching phase to the color blocking phase. You know, we're deciding which colors we want where, and we're just putting it there. And then later we'll do the details. You know, the things that really make a painting worth looking at. Okay, sorry. And then what are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna do some code with the overlapping sprite, because now we know that these two are connected, so the overlapping sprite's bottom one is also true. And we're going to do the corresponding directions for everything, so this is going to be left to be true. I feel like this is overkill and we could have just designed a wire that didn't need this. Well,
what's the fun in that?
That's true. I guess we can make the rest of the fireworks show look good. Okay. And then make a function, update wire image. This is the final step. This wire needs a new look. Oh man. Okay. And then let's call it first. No quarters today. Update wiring image on overlapping sprite. Thank goodness for this, because we don't have to change the variables each time, because we just reuse our variables. That's high efficiency coding. Okay, and then finally let's call it on our OG. And then actually let's do no, let's do it within this. I was trying to decide if I wanted to do the no case. Okay, let's do a variable. Do we have anything connected? Wait, should we make a not connected one just look like a square in the center? That would be easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's do that. Wire image. Set wire image to be an image that we are creating that is 16 by 16. And then we're going to draw a square in the wire image at, math is hard, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it 6 by 6? Or is it 5 by 5?
You're trying to make it 2 by 2?
Yep.
7, right?
7?
0, 1.
I counted on my fingers, but that didn't work. Okay.
No, I think 6 might be right. Yes. I think.
Oh yes, fingers always work. Okay, sorry. Okay, and then can we do a for value of it and then having it be the enum? No.
Enums and static type structure are compatible.
Sorry?
They're compile time only. That would just be a number anyway.
Yeah, but then I would join it. Okay. Let's okay, I'll do this. Directions.
Oh.
And then, oh gosh, I need to remember it doesn't matter which order. We just need to get them. Actually, can we do this? No, let's just hard code it. Okay, if. And what are we doing? We're using the sprite data as a Boolean. If this is true, this wire needs a new look. What data is it? It's going to be left.
Arcade.
What?
arcade sprite data. That's what data it is.
Wait, what?
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 I'm confused. Okay, wire image from. So if there is something to the left of us, we're drawing it from x0, y6 to x6, y6. We don't want a diagonal line, but since it's 2y, we're going to do it twice and make this 7. Yeah, that's fine. And we don't want an else if because we could have it in all the directions. So let's just do this. And if it's top, then we want x to be 6, y to be 0, to x to be 6, to y to be 6, probably. Jasmine and Joey, please tell me if I'm messing it up because I can't think too hard about it. X to be 7, y to be 7. 6, maybe.
I think either should work because you're
yeah.
drawing it into the square in the center.
Nice. Okay, then you have right, and this is all the way, so it's 15, and then y is 6, and then x to be, it doesn't matter, y to be 6, that's fine. This is 15, this is a 7 situation, and then a 6, and then a 7. And then finally, the last one, please let me be done with this. I don't want to think anymore. I just want to make fireworks. Okay, bottom. So then the bottom is going to be the halfway. So the 6 and the y is going to be 15. And the x is 6 and the y is, that's fine probably. And the x is going to be 7 and then a 15. And then this is a 7. And this is a, that's fine. It really doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, wait, no. I need to set the image of the sprite. Set the image of this wire needs a new look. Oh my gosh,
Okay.
guys, I figured out recently, you know how like people are like, wow, love the fit. I thought they meant like they liked the way your clothes fit, but it's short for outfit. Did you guys know that?
I did not.
Jasmine,
I
did
thought I knew that.
You're too cool. Okay, well, you know what? I'm glad I can confirm this at least.
I'm just too old now to know anything.
Okay, update wire image overlapping sprite, and this can't be overlapping sprite. This should be the wire we just placed. Joe, yeah, it's true. It's 26. You know, at this point, you know, all fits are good fits. Okay, placing. Well, that is the overlapping sprite. That makes sense.
That's one way to do it.
And then let's make it invisible and destroy it at the end. What are we destroying? Oh, secret overlap tester. And let's make it invisible. Secret overlap tester. Secret overlap tester. Invisible to true. To on. That's not true. But it's secretly true. So it doesn't think it's overlapping with anything. All right, that's fine. Let's do a pause. Between all of these for debug purposes. Maybe I should have surrounded this with a debug. That's fine. And then let's first make sure that the overlap tester is going everywhere. Oh, we made it invisible. That's why. Okay, let's turn this off. Image size like 14 by 14. Should it be 14 by 14? I thought it was 16 by 16.
Yeah, 16 by 16 should be fine.
Okay. Oops. Well, that's not what I wanted. What time is it? 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Not going left?
It's not going left? Maybe is it because I didn't pause it and I destroyed it already?
Oh, maybe.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm debugging. Dude. Okay. It doesn't overlap with anything. And this one should overlap with that first thing. So it is confused.
And it did overlap with the first.
100. Okay. Well, maybe.
Like I visually confirmed that the two were on the same spot.
But I also
Unless you
wrote the
said it
code for
changed.
it. So maybe the code was like confused. So I'm going to have it say where overlap. Is it ghost? No, I don't think this one's ghost. Okay. We place one here and we're testing with the one above. Overlap. Okay, so it's definitely overlapping. That part of the code is fine. So that's fine. Wire place data join top. Oh, it's because these are numbers, aren't they?
Yeah, they are numbers.
Well, that was just silly.
Oh, were you thinking that are they written in the other ones as data top, data right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess I could have just done the join bottom, join top. But you know what? This is easier. I trust myself to spell all of these correctly, especially with all of your eyes on it. Okay.
I haven't been looking.
Well, then it's not my fault if it doesn't work. Oh my gosh.
Now
works.
update. Now one more. Now one to the
Wait,
right there.
I'm going to get rid of this pause. I trust it works, Joey. What is this game? This game is a very special game we are using to celebrate Joey's birthday, and we're doing wiring. And it works. What the heck? Okay. Wow. Okay. That was easy. Oh, but I do want to wire underground. So let's make the reverse reticle goes through walls. Yeah, we'll post this game to the forums later. Oh my gosh, we only have 6 minutes. Okay. Okay, I'm calm. Okay. I'm calm. Update wire imagery.
Jasmine, does she sound calm to you?
You know, I think it's like fast. I get energy like fast as fireworks, you know, throughout the stream.
Okay.
Thanks, biggest support. Okay, toggle wiring mode. Okay, toggle wiring mode. We're gonna scroll down to this part, the one that is this block. Electrician tool goes through walls. True. Now, finally, let's make a new. Oh, we still have to code that last kind of fireworks. Calm. Let's make a new bin. Does this sound calm? That's not what I want my bin to look like. That's gonna be a terrible color for a bin. Let's make it look like that explodey thing. That also looks like a bike pump. What is it, an exploding thing or a bike pump? Who knows? Oh, yeah, it's free. Wait, Joey, do you want to talk about it on stream?
Yeah, we're writing code in MakeCode Arcade. For reference, we're the developers on the MakeCode team. We're two of them, three of them. So,
Yeah.
I mean, I can count. I know how to count today.
Okay, sure.
I can count to 26 at least. And yeah, it's all free, available online. We posted it in the chat, a link to the game that we had from our bot, and you can make whatever games you want. Well, not whatever games you want. Lots of games you can make if you believe in it.
Yep.
You can even play them on stuff like this,
Mm-hmm.
or this,
Mm-hmm.
or this, or this.
Joey has so much stuff.
I think that's all that I have currently on my desk. I have another Meowbit.
Yeah,
I don't
but
have any of my GA boards available.
today we're celebrating Joey's birthday. So the theme is fireworks, but also electricity. Because he's electric. Yup. I was thinking of that the whole time. This is not just a last minute reasoning situation. Okay, so let's do the fireworks of kind ID. If it's -1, then we make a firework, but instead of a firework, it's like an explosion device. But what would you call this explosion device? Oops, let's make this
explosion device.
Very sensible.
Blowy uppy thing.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
All right, sure. Maybe it should be red so that you know it's dangerous. Oh man. Well, I think we got farther today than I thought we would after trying to explain on stream what we were gonna do today. So that's something. Is it the whole thing? Well, no. But how often do we?
Well, we made the fireworks too. Like we just did that. You whipped that out real quick, and then we're just good to go.
Yeah. Oh, this should not be kind of wire. This should be a kind wire. Nah, but yeah. Oh, that's a terrible name. Okay. And then on A button pressed. Well, Oh, I can't even. I didn't even hook up the fireworks so we can attach to the wires. Yeah, this is not happening. Let's just code up the last kind of fireworks today, or should we? What do you think?
You want to code up a type of firework in 2 minutes? I want to see it.
Okay, I'll do it. Okay. New kind of fireworks. Where is any of this code? Okay. Oops. So let's do a similar
1 minute, I
situation.
guess.
What?
1 minute.
Okay, a kind 1. Then we make a bunch of sprites going in random directions. Let's just do a 0 to 7. We're gonna make a new kind of fireworks. It's gonna be white. And then where are we placing them? We're placing them far away from me. Place it at somewhere. Here, place firework small from this one. And then the angle is gonna be random. And then the distance is gonna be far. 0 to 360. The distance is not random. Well, yeah, let's make it a little bit random, but still far. 100, 200. Oh wow, wait, is it time? Oh, it's 59. Okay, Joey, I hope you're happy with this, because this is your birthday, and you should be happy on your birthday. So I hope you guys watching at home are having a good day, and if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. This is my present to you. Yes, not regifting at all. So happy birthday. My name is Vivian. I'm at Livestream on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Jasmine. I'm at JXMoon on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm Joey at JWandrel on the MakeCode forums.
Yes, and we stream here every day on weekdays at 1 p.m. So thanks everybody for joining us today. Hope you learned things about things. This is the amount of verbosity we have on the stream. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.